Hey guys, friends, we're back online, back with another video, and today we are gonna escape from the cops again. But this time we're gonna use mods. Now, last video I did do the exact same thing, but there's still a lot more mods to, play with, so I decided to do another part. So yeah, it's gonna be, interesting like always. But can I make it to the tower, which is that one right there in this video? Let's find out. By the way, that is actually our objective. Our objective is to make it onto that tower there, if some of you are new here. Now, I know what you guys will be saying. Bro, in school, can you show us the vehicle? But there is something about this vehicle though. I don't know why, I just had to pick it. It's the most ridiculous one. And I hear sirens. I don't know what's going on. And I want you guys to guess what vehicle this is. I'll give you guys 3 seconds. Alright, that's all the time. This is the gravel vertex. Now I know what you'd be saying, Prince School, what are those chunky, goofy owl looking wheels? Well, those are some big wheels, and I think if I'm not mistaken, the configuration name is the donk. Yes, the donk. Sounds like a weird name. I think that's what the name is. Hold on, let me check here. I don't know why for some reason I had to pick the most ridiculous one. By the way, something about this vehicle. There is literally over 100 configurations. Isn't that shocking? Yeah. Anyway, where is? Yep, it is the donk. I don't know why they called that, but yeah. This looks such an American vehicle, like, bruh. But this gravitating mod is actually cool. Like, look at, you got the radio. If I'm not mistaken, the radio works. And we got the headlights. There's so many buttons here. So yeah, I really recommend you guys to check out. Look at that, even the handbrake works. Yeah, it's such a cool mod. Even the doors. Look at that. And you know the best part? When you open the doors, look at the light. It closes when it, closes, and then when you open the door, it opens. It's actually really detailed. Like, that's so cool. Anyway, enough talking. Let's try to escape the cops from this. I'm gonna use manual just so I can. So yeah, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god, this configuration is just so ridiculous. Like, why did I thought it was a good idea to take a dump to a police chase? Like, who would have thought? But you know, one thing that impresses me, the cops have not chased me yet. Or do they just think I'm not going to chase them? Come on guys, I'm just on the opposite side of the road. There you go. Alright, it's gonna be an interesting one. I'm actually gonna risk myself going this path. And as you see on that sign, yes, it does say the wrong way. I don't know why for some reason I like to go the opposite side. Oh my god, this thing barely has any steering wheel. Like, oh my god. One thing impresses me about this car is how less it flips over. Like, it doesn't just flip over. It's quite impressive. And I'm taking the opposite road again. This is actually like a killer road. Like, for some reason, every time I take this road, like 70% of the time I just, get wrecked by the cops. But somehow it's actually, hey, look at the dice. Like, it moves. Look at that. That's actually so cool. Oh wow, there's literally like a passenger cam. Like imagine you're the passenger man, and like you see this, like you're just casually sleeping and then you woke up, you see literally chaos, and oh my god, dude, for some reason this thing likes to turn randomly, like it doesn't want to go straight. Why? Is it because of the wheels? Like literally, what? This thing, it is so shaky. Like, I mean, what did I expect from a vehicle like this? Alright, we're coming close to our destination. I mean, it's literally right beside us. But usually in this corner here, I always tend to get killed by cars. So I hope that does not happen. It's like a blind corner. You can just barely see the corner. Like, yeah, there you go, I found it. Oh, I hope this thing has like, good power to make it on go. One thing I know about the clearance, this thing should have it. I mean, it has been good before. But I don't think I'm safe because cops can actually spawn out here. I was playing off camera and I did found out, which is not good. So they have to spawn, which is quite concerning. Oh god. Oh yep, I told you. No, please. Oh my god, I am a god. I'm really a god, bro. Holy Jesus Christ. Come on, this is the last corner. If I fail, I'm so done. Yes. Wait, is it? Yes, we made it. Let's go. Oh my god, first try. Let's go. Look at that. Who knew a configuration like this would win? Guys, just give up. You're not gonna go anywhere, alright? I'm done. I'm literally up here. Who knew? Like, look at this goofy art configuration, bro. And I somehow actually made it. Wow, okay, I'm quite impressed by myself. Dude, just give up. Oh my god. Well, I mean, the Gravel Vortex, it is a good mod, guys. I actually recommend all of you to try out this mod. But still, we can't just use the same. Oh my god, I landed. Let's go. But we can't use the same mod, so we gotta move on. By the way, after that crash, the wheels are actually perfectly intact. Like, they didn't just fall out. That is quite impressive, though. Literally. Well, let's try out the next vehicle then. Whew. I am actually not ready for the next vehicle. But it should be somewhere around here. Where is it? Oh yeah, there it is. The Dodge Challenger. Yep. I mean the Hellcat is my favorite configuration, so I do want to go there. There was a Demon configuration. I'm guessing that is not good configuration, so yeah. Alright, hold on. It's loading in. It's taking a while to load in. Hold on guys, bear with me. Wait. Okay, there you go. Wow, that is one nice looking car. Holy, the boom effect too. Damn, that is good looking. I also, oh wait, is it? Oh, it's really gold. Like this thing is gold. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at the pedals, bro. Like, what? They're literally gold. Wow. Alright, let's do this boys. I hope this Hellcat is good. Hey, let's do this. It does my okay, it does not. That's good. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my, the engine is loud. Okay, wait, which way should I take here? I don't think cockpit. But if I just oh my god, what in the Matrix configuration? Oh my god, it is. Well, the cockpit changed me all the oh my god, yeah, go this way, this way. Wait, why is my gas not working? I can't go. Guys, I actually can't go. What in the world happened? I can't go. Like, wait, did the drive shaft break? It didn't give me a notification saying the drive shaft broke. You gotta be kidding me. I can't actually go. Bruh. Okay, you know what? I was about to use this car and now, you know, we failed. Alright, by the way, there is a rule where once I crash, I actually have to switch my vehicles. I can't use the exact same one again. So it's a real pain if you ask me. But well, let's just move to the next modded vehicle, which is of course the Procyon Centauri. This vehicle is actually amazing, guys. I'm really going to show you guys. Let's just pick like a normal version like this one. Oh, this is the base version, I think. I actually want to show you guys this car. It's actually so cool. So basically, if you look, everything is openable, just like the gravel vortex mod. Like basically everything is openable, and if you look inside, just look at how clean it looks. Just like gravel vortex, the lights do open. With the bloom effect, it just looks insanely beautiful. And yeah, so the hood, you gotta use like this button here to open it. Yep, there you go. And that's the engine too. The engine detail is insane. And here's the coolest part. When before I start the engine, when I actually click the engine button, look at that. It pops up this cool like thing. Like look at that. Procon Century. Yep, yep. It gives like this cool looking thing on the start, and then when you start it, look at that. So there is the map and stuff like that. And look at this is fully animated, guys. Look at this. Like the gauge, everything works. This is actually fully animated. The time works on top there. I'm not sure if the temperature works. You got the miles. And yeah, look, the buttons also work. Like this is the blinkers. There's even bloom effects on it. I think this is the range box. Yeah, this is the range box. This is the I think it's the ESC. So yeah, I think let's put the comfort. So yeah, such a cool mod, like literally. This mod I actually totally recommend you guys. Like this mod is so beautiful, it's so nice. It's actually amazing. Like literally. Oh actually hold on, let me turn off the lights. Alright, so yeah, here we go. It's gonna be a really pity to see this thing destroyed, so I hope that does not happen. But anyway, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, this is gonna be interesting. By the way, I actually want to take this path. I think this path is a lot more. Oh my god, easier. Oh wait, that was a cop. Okay, there we go. I was about to turn back and hit him, to make things easier, but he already got mad. You can even hear the suspension, like, that is so amazing. Oh, there you. Oh no, I took the wrong corner, but I don't know why I always mess up. Let's take this way. I know. Oh wait, what was that? I hope that was not something important. I actually want to go in here, this parking lot. Actually, I actually just realized how dumb I am. I literally just. Oh my god, this literally takes back to the exact same highway that I was at a few seconds ago. Why didn't I just, turn back? Why didn't I take the parking lot? Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Alright, it's fine. Let's just keep going here. Oh, no! Oh my god. I got distracted by the cops. And now I am literally. I can't even go straight. No, no, come on. Did I actually like jinx myself, guys? After saying it would be a shame to see this. Oh my god, I think I might have jinxed myself. Oh no. Oh come on. We made it once. I know we can make it again. I have to turn off the AC, but I gotta dodge this. No, no, no. No, I was just about to choose the AC. Come on, cops, flip me over. No. God damn you, bro. This was such a good vehicle to make it in. You had the clearance. Dang it. You were so close. Oh my god. Oh wow. We were so close, so that's a real pity that I failed. Like, oh my god. You know what? Let's use the monster truck. This is probably gonna be the worst decision, but I don't care. Like literally, I don't care. Alright, well, let's just go easy here. Oh my god. I do know this thing will like go 50 miles per hour. Just imagine if I make it on this thing for like no shot. Actually, we're going to see. Boom. Yep, that should be. Oh, actually, it does go above 50. I thought it was below. Oh, that's good. Oh, it tops out at low 8. Oh no, what are you doing? Why did you come up in front of me? Oh my god, you're such a dumb. Oh my god, why did you have to come up in front of me, bro? Oh, yeah, you're kidding me, right? Oh, like just, yeah, that's what you get. Yeah, that's what you get. Oh my god. Well, that didn't even last like a minute, did it? Well, the cops are coming here. Where's my Wow, that ended well, didn't it? Well, anyway guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna do another part where I, use the mods. I'm gonna probably change the map because I know you guys are getting bored just seeing me trying to get away from the cops on the exact map. So yeah, next video is gonna be more interesting. Anyway guys, consider like, consider subscribing, and I'll catch you on the next video. Goodbye.